Hey, Fruit Fanatics, it's A to the O, letting you know that things are about to get a little bit slow.
Oh no.
Oh yeah! We're taking a little break and having some fun in the sun. But don't worry, we'll be back with brand new episodes on Friday, September 14th.
Yay! That'll give you plenty of time to take part in my totally awesome picture contest! Just click on my Facebook page for all the details! Yay!
And then get back here on Friday, September 7th for a special video featuring all the winning submissions.
Whoa! Thanks for the heads up, Pear.
Orange, what are you doing?
Duh. If you don't flip over, you're gonna get a bad peel. We'll see the rest of you tangerines back here in September. And until then, surf's up!
Hello? Hello? Is anybody home? Good, I've got the kitchen to myself, and nobody will know that I'm totally gonna read those Twilight books again. I still love you, K-Stew.
For the last time, my name is Apple.